Yes, good afternoon, YouTubers. Well, I'm about to do some curry goat. You can see the goat meat, curry goat. So this is my season. I'm gonna put some scotch bonnet, lots of garlic, onion, and you can see my Maggi. And then I have my to the bone that I bring from Jamaica, and some jerk season and garlic powder, curry. This is my curry that I bring from Jamaica, the real curry, Indian curry. And I put it inside my backer, okay? And ginger powder again. And I have actual ginger there, right? Thyme, onion, scallion, lots of garlic, scotch bonnet, and this is the goat meat, right? And I have my jerk season that I made from scratch. This is my jerk season, yeah, that I take my scallion, onion, garlic, pepper, ginger, lots of garlic, lots of ginger, pimento that I bring from Jamaica. That is what I use and make my jerk sauce. This is the jerk sauce. This is the jerk sauce. You can see it. Lots of seasoning inside of it. Okay? So I am above to change this color. I'm gonna cut up my scallion, onion, garlic, ginger, pepper. Okay? This is my curry goat. That's the way I do my curry goat. Okay? So this is it. So when I do it again and you see a different color, I'm gonna show it to you again. So this is the way I do it, right? You can see I'm getting down to it, right? So I need you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down the bottom. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her curry goat. Curry goat, right? My channel, Aunty Clair, Jamaican way of cooking. So just like up the channel, like up the thing, follow me, subscribe to it, subscribe. We don't charge, subscribe. Fresh scallion, onion, right? Big scotch bonnet pepper I using, and lots of garlic and my season. Okay? So just like it up. Like up the thing. Right? Love it up, man. Look at it. I'm just starting up. So when you see I do some next thing and put on something on it, you will see, right? How I do. This is the sauce that I throw on it now. Look at it. Look at the sauce. I throw some sauce on it. Okay? Yes. So that's the way I do it. So just like it up. This goat will be nice. Eatable. Ginger powder I'm throwing on it. Please like, share, and subscribe to it. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend. Run, come look at our Aunty Clair doing his thing. Okay? So I'm putting in some to the bone now. To the bone. You don't see I have no salt out here. I don't use salt because it's having a lot. The season having lots of salt in it. Okay? So we just use up the season and no. Test it.